Good day, everyone. Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you shortly. I hope you're interested with eggplant. So it's a new thing here. I found one eggplant in our fridge, so I like it very much, and I decided to grill it, and I will show it to you. Ready to party? Yes! Ooh, I'm noisy. I have to tie my hair. Anyway. I don't want my hair in the food. So do you. Ready. So there goes our beauty, the eggplant, aubergine, talong in Tagalog, munakoiso in Finnish. So one eggplant. This is the 3 ingredients grilled eggplant. So we need, of course, eggplant, cut in half, and I have this sun-dried tomato jar, and for the first time, I will use this as a marinade or as a rub, tom yum paste. This is good for soup, for stir fry, and now for marinade. Why not? So what I did is I prick some, like with a knife, you can prick it before you brush it with the oil, and the oil I use is from sun-dried tomato. Yes, you just brush it with some oil, and then you rub it with a spoon or half a spoon. You don't need salt and pepper because this is already salted. This is quite strong already, with tamarind sauce, tamarind paste as well. It's a sour, sweet, and spicy, so it's an Asian taste. Yes, go ahead and try it. It's not so complicated. So our oven is preheated already. I put it in grill and it's heating up there. This will take about 20 minutes and ready to be enjoyed. Yes. Oven is ready. And our babies are ready too. So let's put it in the oven. We'll put the timer, so about 20 minutes. I will start with 15 minutes because the marinade I just used today, so I don't know how it will react with the heat. So timer at 15 minutes, and we'll check it soon. And guys, what do you do when you have free time? We want to make the most out of it, yes? Utilize the time wisely. So while waiting for the eggplant, for the talong, for the aubergine, for the munakoiso grilling there in the oven, I put 15 minutes, so we have time. I will open my chill out. Yes, I bought this yesterday. It's quite cold and it's good. You serve it cold, of course, and let's have a toast. It's less than €7. I forgot how much is it per liter. So it's 5.5 alcohol, so it's they call it alcohol free. because it's very low, the alcohol content. You can buy low alcohol content from the regular groceries, but the higher it goes when it's high alcohol content here in Finland, you can just buy it from Alco shop. Alco shop is the name. Alco. So 5.5 or 4.7 beer, cider, non-alco, white wine, red wine, bubbly, rosé, then you can easily buy it from the shop. And also take note, only after 9 o'clock in the morning you can start buying your drinks, your alcohol drinks from the shop and from Alco shop. Cheers to this day. That's good, it's Thai. That's when we need our muscles. The muscles. Ooh, cheers. So I was talking about what time you can buy alcohol from in here in Finland. After 9 o'clock in the morning and after 9 o'clock in the evening, they don't sell to you anymore. So guys, I will just check if you can see. Yep. I will do like this. A bit clumsy. Jan! Cheers guys. And of course, my yesterday's harvest. I didn't handle it yet. Actually, I have catering for tomorrow, so a bit busy today. But still, I try to find I like to share with you this eggplant grill. Look at that. Cheers guys. Let's wait for the eggplant. Yes, catering tomorrow. I will put them all inside. I'll see you soon. When the eggplant is done, so cheers. It's ready guys, so smelling good. That was 15 minutes and that's enough. So let's take it. Yes, there it goes. Grilled eggplant. 3 ingredients: eggplant, sun-dried tomato oil, and the tom yum paste. That's all you need. Heat the oven, preheated the oven, in grill, 15 minutes, and that's it. Don't forget to prick your eggplant so the moist will evaporate from the holes, and the spices and the taste of your tom yum and the oil will go through it. Enjoy it as it is, or scrape the meat, put it in an omelette. You can mix it in your omelette, it's yummy. Or in Philippines, what we do is we eat this with fried rice, fried fish, and as a dip, yummy. Chili, vinegar, and Philippine anchovies. Yes, as a dip. And that's it. Very simple. You can slice this in half as well, in half or quartered, or yeah, thin slices. Eggplant is plated. A piece of parmesan. a drizzle of truffle sauce. I have a tip for this European, those who would like to have it in sandwich. This is great also for sandwiches. White bread or whole wheat bread, buttered it, put the slices of grilled eggplant. You can fry it as well. And then goes well with Parmesan. Slivers of Parmesan cheese, or grated Parmesan cheese, or chunks of Parmesan cheese, or the cheese you loved. And some rucola. And more drizzle of olive oil. That's it, guys. Okay, I'll say bye for now. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, notification bell, so you will be notified when I upload another video. See you in the kitchen, back in the kitchen, or in the gym exercising, or on the street, on the road. Not on the street, on the road, traveling. Enjoy life. Stay safe. Bye. Cheers.